Exciting news for audio lovers across Europe. Xiaomi is expanding the availability of its premium Bluetooth speaker to Germany and Italy, following its successful launch in the United Kingdom and France. Stylish and functional, this speaker combines a modern design with durability, thanks to its scratch-resistant fabric and rubberized base. And with an IP67 rating, it's perfect for outdoor adventures or your next pool party. Powered by a 5-unit acoustic system, it delivers 360 degrees omnidirectional audio with a peak output of 93 decibels. Enhanced bass through its low-frequency passive units ensures a deep and immersive sound experience. With a 4,800 mAh battery, enjoy up to 17 hours of playback on a single charge. And when you need to recharge, the 22.5-watt fast charging via USB Type-C will have you back in action in no time. Experience balanced and clear sound with Harman Audio FX and Xiaomi's Nightingale algorithm. Customize your audio profile with Xiaomi Audio ID, or pair 2 speakers for stereo sound, or up to 8 speakers for a surround sound extravaganza. Featuring Bluetooth 5.3 and the LHDC 5.0 protocol, this speaker ensures a stable connection and high-quality audio transmission every time. Take your experience to the next level with its 12 LED RGB strip. Choose from 4 preset modes or customize the lighting using the Mi Home app to set the perfect mood for any occasion. Whether you're hosting a party, relaxing at home, or enjoying the great outdoors, the Xiaomi Bluetooth speaker is the ultimate audio companion. Now available in Germany, Italy, and across Europe for €79.99. Xiaomi, innovation for everyone. Get yours today.